Hello everyone, I'm Viraz and today I'll be showing you on how to use diamond standard with Scaffold-Eth. Right, so let's quickly dive into what diamond standard is and what advantages that it gives you as a Ethereum developer. Right, so basically there are four things as you see on the screen. Right, you get there is no size limit issue because if you have a lot of contract functionality that you want to fit in, and you can easily do that in terms of modularity and in a gas efficient way with the diamond standard. It The upgradation process, as we see right these days, that uh, with DAOs in and you know DAOs in voting power, there are a lot of proposals that get passed, and upgradation is a pretty important part in the Ethereum ecosystem. So with Diamond Standard, that process becomes very streamlined and easy for you as a developer uh, if you're using Diamond Standard. Then we have the modularity aspect, which is again a very important part in terms of development, and Diamond Standard is tailor made for getting your contracts modularized in a good way, especially in DeFi, like where there are so many plug and play components, right? So it pretty much eases out your pain as a developer in terms of modularizing code and getting your components up up and ready. So I think these are the main benefits of using the diamond standard. So without wasting any time, I'll just dive deep into the Scaffold-Eth UI that we have prepared for this branch and showcase you on how diamond upgradability works. We have a separate branch for interaction with diamond the diamond contract and the faucets, right? You can check this out, which is diamonds hyphen standard. You can check this branch out, but in this diamond starter kit branch, I'll just showcase you how upgradability works, which is a pretty important aspect of the diamond standard. So yeah, so basically you can think of upgradability as three operations. You can add selectors, you can replace selectors, or you can remove selectors. So selectors, and just to clear in a layman term, selector is just a contract function, right? So basically what happens is, when you are using diamond standard, you will just have one address, and you can think of uh, diamond contract as the main contract that you will be interacting with, which will have all the storage uh, mechanisms, right? So you don't have to worry about any the storage mechanisms on any faucet contracts. And again, faucet contract is just an external contract that the diamond is communicating with, right? So basically you can just have no storage on your faucets, and you can have so that allows you to have all the storage mechanism on the diamond contract, because the diamond interacts with the faucet contracts by in a in kind of a proxy way, right? Because the diamond has a fallback function which uses delegate call, right? So that is one aspect. Now let's dive into on how upgradability works with how deployment works with the diamond standard. So basically you can upgrade or interact with the contracts through diamond standard that you have attached with while you have deployed the diamond contract initially. So here, as you see, there are four faucets that I'm using for this branch purpose. uh, there are a couple of test faucets that we will be using for the upgradability stuff. Then we have a diamond cut faucet and a lobe faucet. Diamond cut faucet is used basically to upgrade the diamond, right? And love faucet is basically used for tracking all the selector details and their faucet details, that you see here on the UI. uh, right? So and then you can just basically, while deploying the diamond contract, you have to prepare a diamond params, where which is a nested array of the faucet addresses, the operation that you want to perform, which is add obviously while you're deploying, and the selector signature hashes, right? To get that in the diamond storage, right? So to write that in the diamond storage basically, sorry, yeah. So and then you can just easily you can just run yarn deploy, and you have your diamond architecture ready. So now what I'll do is, just to showcase, I'll be showcasing you the remove functionality, right? So what we'll do is, first, before we do any upgrade, we have to have the updated ABI of the faucet that we are making changes in, which will eventually lead to your diamond upgradation. So what I'll do is, I'll just comment this operate method, right? And so basically what we are doing is, we are removing this selector. Right now you see this here, right under this faucet address. So what I'll do is, I'll remove this, and then we can just see how upgradability works. And it's so pretty easy if you get the hand of it. If you get the hand of the EIP, if you go through the complete EIP document, right, it's pretty efficient, I would say. So I'll just comment these things out, and now what I'll do is, I'll do a yarn compile, so I'll have the updated ABI file with me, right? So I'll just do this. The compilation, as you see, finished successfully. So I'll confirm my action first, right? And now I'll do an upload to this faucet file, ABI file. So I'll just do this, and you won't see the operate function. If you see this, you won't see the operate function now in the ABI, because the ABI has been updated, right? So I'll just do this, and now you'll notice that the deploy faucet button is disabled when you do a remove operation. That's because while doing the remove operation, the diamond cut library that's being used to upgrade the diamond, it will just delete the storage, for that particular selector that you want to remove, right? So you don't have to deploy your new faucet again. Whereas when you do an add on or a replace operation, because you are making new changes in the code, you'll have to make way for storing new selectors in storage, selector details in storage, right? So that's why you'll have to deploy that faucet that you made changes in, and then you will get your upgradability process running. So but here anyways, I'll just paste this, right, which is the signature, the selector signature, right, which is in this form as mentioned in the placeholder, right? So you can just do this with the function name and the types of the arguments that the function takes. So we'll do this, and now we'll just click on upgrade diamond, and you have the transaction gets confirmed successfully, and it's just waiting now. And now if I do a refresh, you won't see the operate method, operate selector in the when the loud faucet is queried. Yeah, so here it is, and you have successfully upgraded your diamond in just a single transaction. So yeah, so basically the point, so this is all about, for simplicity, I've just showcased the remove functionality for now, and so you can check out the diamond standard, the starter kit branch, right, and provide any feedback or any improvements if you want to see. And yeah, for now this is it. And as I said, we have another branch for interacting with the faucets, because we wanted to keep it modularized in terms of functionalities. So we have this where you can interact with faucets, and this branch focuses on the upgradability aspect of it. I hope that this is clear to you, and any doubts, please visit our Telegram channel and please ask your questions there. Thank you.